Now it really looks like it's gonna come. All day. All day, folks. I've been sitting here watching this. No rain yet, but I do believe that it's coming. I do believe it's coming. Oh, no, Tanky, no. Where you at, Bonnie? Huh? Where you at, Bon Bon? I heard her crying. Oh, there she is. What are you doing, silly girl? Here she is. You didn't come in this morning. I was worried about you. Yeah. Your kids came in. Okay, so she's good. All right. Tanky, leave her. Tanky, leave her. No, she hadn't come in this morning. I mean, that happens. She does that sometimes. But, you know, I always worry about them. I'm like, okay, because the other two came right in right away. Look at this. It's already looking like it needs to be cut again. Oi. All right. So, let me go ahead. See, I had this all cleaned up, Hella, I had it all cleaned up. What happened? Huh? That ain't bad. It ain't bad. Ain't bad. Folks, this thing has been sitting out here since I bought it a couple months, and it was at 78%, and right now it's at 74%. Crazy. I don't need those right now. So I wanted to do a little cleanup in here. I'm debating whether to do something with all this this wood, but of course now we're already in July, and see, Tank comes in here, and this is his personal play area now, unfortunately. So I'm just going to move this stuff a little bit. Try to get it a little bit more organized, if you will. That cat must be out here. She must have come up. Alright, that's better there. See, this here, when we broke down the boxes of the macaroni, we wanted to I wanted to keep these because for fire starter, you know, and Tank's been chewing the crap out of them, so I'm going to actually set these back up over here out of his way. Yeah, hopefully that'll take care of that problem. Okay. Alright. So, but, yeah, we got... all kinds of garbage in here that needs to get taken care of as well. It's just looking very cluttered in here, and so I was like, well, let me do something about that. So one of the things we were talking, somebody made a great comment, and I wanted to address this comment because I thought it was really pertinent. I thought it was really, really important, and I want to acknowledge the person. And you know who you are. I don't remember who it was as far as what their name was, but we had just picked up peaches as part of our preps. And the person said, oh, hold on a second. Yeah, see, this is ridiculous. This is Tank doing all this crap right here. This is not cool, Tank. Not cool at all. So anyway, the person said, and this happened to me before as well, so I just wanted to address this, and I wasn't thinking about it when I did it. The person had said, you're going to get about 2 years on those peaches, and then what ends up happening, the cans end up exploding, right? Because of the acidicness in there. They said, but if you can peaches, right, do it in glass jars and can it, he goes, you're looking at 10 years. And I was thinking about that, and I'm like, you know what, he's 100% correct. So what I was actually going to be doing, and I got to make this phone call, so hopefully I'll make the phone call before this video goes up, which will be Tuesday at 7. What I want to do is I want to give Sandy a call and say, hey, because she rotates between Georgia and Florida. I'm going to see if she can pick us up a couple of bushels of peaches for the group, you know, and then we can take that those peaches and can them, and then they're here, they're canned. We can label them, put a date on them. We know exactly, you know, when we did it and all that type of stuff. And I think that would be a really good thing to get into as far as that goes. So that was my thought on that. So I wanted to thank that person that was talking about, again, making sure that we're going to rotate those peaches, because they don't really have a good sustainable shelf life, you know, like canned peaches would. So I thought that was very good advice, and so we're going to utilize that, and hopefully, I'm thinking maybe October we can do that. Or I'll talk to Sandy and see what the best time to get the peaches, when they're going to be ready, because I know it's a different time down there, you know, as far as when crops are ready and stuff like that. And if it's sooner, then, you know, we'll do it sooner. So that opens it up a little bit more. That's what we're looking for. What do you think, Tank? Huh? Trying to get it so you can't destroy everything. Yeah. Alright. It's just been, like I said, the heat's been so much that the motivation has not been there. So, like today, it's still warm today, but it's not as warm. We're looking at temperatures, you know, in right around, I think 82 was our high for today. So, definitely much more comfortable. Definitely much more comfortable. Alright, what we got here? There. Oh, I was going to show you guys. I think this is kind of cool. Sandy brought these, and she had brought them for her building, but they're too big for her building. Some regular wooden steps, right? So we're going to use these actually out here. Get rid of our block steps that we've had forever and a day, and put those in. So anyway, a little cleaner, you know. Getting things picked up a little bit. I'm going to do a little bit more here, but I am going to jump off this video. But, you know, just trying to make a dent, if you will, in things and make things look nicer, because it's been pretty trashed in here. And, like, it's just even trying to walk through here because of all the wood. I'm just going to go ahead and leave the wood there, and we'll, you know, kind of focus on what we got to take care of. Alright guys, I will talk to you all later. Have a great day. Prepper Nurse 1, out for now.